Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well and actually utilizing this opportunity properly as it will really help you further. Okay, so before we'll start with the chapter, I would like to quote something. Everything in access is opposed to nature. Means that if you are doing anything in access in your life, if you are having anything in access in your life, it will destroy you easily. It can destroy you easily. For example, if you have a lot of money, it will turn you into a spendthrift, means a person who is spending money carelessly because he is not actually valuing the things he is gifted with. So it is very important to consciously take the decisions and be conscious, be aware of your actions. Whatever you would be doing, you need to take care of that thing every time. So we'll start with the chapter A Triumph of Surgery. Here triumph means victory. It's written by James Alfred and his pen name was James Harriet. Pen name means when you are not using your original name in your writings. You are using another name. That another name would be the pen name. So James Alfred, he was a British writer as well as surgeon, and he has used his past experiences of being a surgeon to write series of books, each consisting of stories about animals and their owners. The story revolves around three main characters. First is named as Tricky, name of dog. Second, Mrs. Pamphray, mistress of dog, and Mr. Harriet, narrator. Mr. Harriet was the pen name of Mr. James Alfred. Right, he was the writer of the chapter. So now the story revolves around the Tricky and the dog. The immense love, the excess love of Mrs. Pamphray put Tricky into the trouble because Mrs. Pamphray was overfeeding Tricky over the time. Tricky was not getting involved in any sort of physical activity or activity that includes body movement, and that put Tricky into the trouble. He was being sent to the hospital for 15 days because of the immense love, because of the excess love by its mistress named as Mrs. Pamphray. So excess of anything can put you in trouble, can destruct you, can destroy you easily. The theme of the story is about how blind love we possess for the people whom we love the most, and how it sometimes becomes the reason for their destruction. Even being a person, how the blind love. According to us, we are doing everything out of love, but somewhere it is leading the other person to another path. It is leading that person to their destruction. It is declining the growth. It is destructing their growth. So in this chapter, the immense love, the blind love of Mrs. Pamphray for her dog Tricky actually put him in trouble, and that is why his health got affected to such a great extent. So I would like to suggest, please open your books, page number 5, and I'll start reading with the chapter. I was really worried about Tricky this time. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress, and I was shocked at his appearance. He had become hugely fat, like a bloated sausage with a leg at each corner. His eyes, bloodshot, started straight ahead, and his tongue rolled from his jaws. Here I is the narrator, and narrator was Mr. Harriet. Mr. Harriet was the pen name of James Alfred, the writer itself. So keep that thing in your head. So the story starts with the narrator telling the readers that how he was worried about Tricky. Mr. Harriet stops his car as he sees Tricky with his mistress on the road, as he was shocked to see Tricky's position. He was looking like a bloated sausage. Bloated means excess size, excess of something. So his eyes, he was becoming very fat, eyes were red and watery. So the Tricky's owner, Mrs. Pamphray, started giving explanation for what she did to Tricky. That she thought that Tricky was suffering from malnutrition, and that is why she was giving him extra meals out of that. But actually that put Tricky into the trouble. So he can see this thing coming. Mr. Harris was able to see this thing coming, that soon Tricky will be in trouble and we need to send him to the hospital. So he soon fell ill and was taken to the hospital by Mr. Harriet. By the time he was taking Tricky to the hospital, all the members in the family of Mrs. Pamphre's helpers, they all started giving all the essential things of to Mr. Harriet of Tricky. His bed, night bed, day bed, cushions, toys, supper bowl, etc. So that Tricky will get home like feeling over there. So that again is a sign of Mrs. Pamphre being a rich mistress and the over pampered Tricky. I hope I'm clear till here. We'll continue with the chapter in the next class, and these are your assignment questions, and I would suggest you to read the chapter again, to go through the chapter thoroughly and attempt these questions. Thank you.